a fashion and accessory haul. So I'm going to be showing you what all I recently got because it's been ages since I've done a fashion and accessory haul. So yes, I'm going to first start with clothes and then move on to accessories. I was recently in Mumbai for a shoot, so I thought let's go to Colaba and pick up some things, but I didn't have a lot of time, so I couldn't roam around a lot, and I only got these two things. So I got these tops. These are like net crochet tops. I got them, I think, for about 150 rupees, if not less. I think 125 or 150, something around that. So this one is in a coral shade and I love the beautiful detailing of the net. And then I also got a blue one. The detailing of the net is a little different than the coral one. So this is what it looks like. These are not exactly crop tops, they come like right at your waist, but you do have to wear something underneath. You can wear like a brassiere or a bra or even a spaghetti. I like to wear them with spaghetti. So yeah, these are the two tops that I got from Colaba. I think both of these were for 300, I'm not really sure, but 125, 150, that was like the maximum I paid for these. Then I got 4 new pieces from Stuck by Love, but I will be only showing you 3 because I am going to be wearing one of them on the red carpet at the YTFF this year. So yes, follow me on my social media to know what I wear on the YTFF or the YouTube Fan Fest. So yeah, the first thing I got were these blue jeggings. They have like a detailing on the waist which I really like. And then they're just like normal jeggings, nothing too fancy schmancy, but I really like the detailing that they have on the waist. Then I got this jumpsuit which is in a powder blue color. It's a beautiful color and this is what it looks like. So you have this and then it just goes down to be a normal jumpsuit. It has like an elastic detailing at the waist as well as a belt to complement it. I do plan to wear this on my meet and greet. I'm not really sure till now, but I will be deciding my clothes tonight only, so hopefully I will be wearing this on my meet and greet. Again, follow me on all of my social media to know when my meet and greet in Mumbai is going to happen and where it's going to happen. So yes, we have that jumpsuit. And the last thing I got was this black shirt maxi. So it is a normal black, it looks like a shirt right here, but then it goes down and it has a slit in the front. I know it's a little difficult to tell, but yes, there's a slit here. So yes, that is the shirt maxi. All of the prices would be in the bottom bar because I don't remember the prices of these, and there's like no tag on them, like there's no price on the tag. All of the prices could be in the bottom bar as well, so don't worry about that. And then I went to the Karol Bagh flea market, and if you know me, you know I love shopping from flea market. So I got a couple of pieces from the market. The first thing is this dress, which is a great dress. I got this for like just 250 rupees and it is like such a perfect fit for me. So it just looks like this. It has a zipper at the back which goes down till your waist. So yes, it's just like a normal shift dress and it looks beautiful, guys. Like the color is perfect, the fit is perfect, it just fits me like a glove, which I really like. So yes, I got that great dress. Then I got this denim shirt which looks like this. I think this one was for 250 as well. So yeah, I got this one. It has lace detailings on the shoulder blade. It's just a normal denim shirt. Then I got this top which is like cropped from the front and long from the back. This one I think was for 200 rupees and again it fits me really nice. I really like the unusual character that it has, that it's like short at the front and long at the back. So I really like that. Then I got 2 t-shirts for 125 each. The first one looks like this. It's a gunji, racer back gunji. So it has like spectacles all over it, which I find is extremely cute. And then I got this t-shirt again for 125, which has crowns all over it and it's coral in color. So that's a yay. And then the last thing I got, which I'm extremely excited for, are dungarees. So it's like a skirt dungaree. I got this for 250 rupees. So this is what it looks like from the front. It has these straps and then just go, oh, that's the back. This is the front, sorry. So yeah, it's just like that, normal dungarees. You can call them overalls, whatever, but for me they're dungarees. I grew up in dungarees basically. So it was really exciting for me to find this pair of dungarees. So it's like, yeah, I was excited. Then I got this neon handbag with golden detailings in my earbox, and this was like one of the things which I really liked. It's so cool. It also has like a chain which can like elongate the length of the strap. So yes, it's like a drawstring back, so you can like tighten it up from here, or you can loosen it back up. I love the color, it's really fun. So yeah, I got that. I don't know the price of this because it was in my Your Box. A couple of other things that I did receive in my Your Box were a pair of double-ended earrings. So there are two pairs. One of them is in gold and crystal, and the other one is like a marble finish. Both of them are double-ended, so they're like really in and chic at this point of time. Then I also got this statement piece which has like a purple butterfly and other pearls and studs and stuff like that. Then in my mesh bag I got this chain which I feel is so badass because it's just like a normal thick chain, and I really like it. Although I don't know I'm gonna style it, but I really like the way the chain looks. I also got this piece from H&M, so it's like a dainty golden chain with marble detailing in the pendant. I really liked it. It retails for $4.99, so it wasn't exactly that expensive, but it just looks really nice on the neck, which I like. So my brother went to Goa and he's like the worst gifter of all time, and there's like this tradition in my family with my friends and family that whenever we're going to somewhere we get gifts back for everyone. So as I was saying, my brother is the worst gifter, so it was really kind of him to actually get me something, and he knows I love jewelry. So he got me like a complete box of chains that a person was selling there. So basically you just like pick one of the chain and you give the person that, but my brother thought one would be too less. They also have like earrings in them, so it was really sweet of him to get something for me, because we never expect any sort of gift from him, because as I said, he doesn't have any gifting sense, neither does he like shopping. So we are always like, he's not gonna get anything, but he did. So yeah, it was like really sweet of him. So this is what the chain looks like. They're like different shape of stones wrapped in wire, and you can just like wear it around your neck. And then there's also a bracelet of the same type, and the earrings which are entangled in the bracelet, so I can't really like show you guys right now. I don't know why they're entangled. Okay, I was able to like take one of them. So yeah, there's a pair of earrings, so like it's a complete set. So I have 6 of those sets in different colors. So yeah, I got those from my brother, and I don't know the pricing of these because we don't like disclose prices to each other, so I don't know what these necklaces cost. Then I got my embellishment box, and I did post about it on my Instagram. So I got 4 pieces which I love, absolutely love. So the first one is this bracelet, which is a pretty bracelet, looks really nice when you wear it. So this is what it looks like. Then there's this pretty necklace which you would have already seen if you saw my Faces Stackable Eyeshadow review. So it's a teal, blue and gold necklace with a dream catcher here. I find it so beautiful. This complete box retails for $13.99, I guess, if I'm not wrong. I will have it in the bottom part again, as I said. Then there's this ring. I'm not particularly a big fan of this ring because I don't like spiral rings which are like too over the top. I'm more like dainty ring person, but anyhow. And then lastly are these pair of earrings, which again are gorgeous. They would look so beautiful. They're multicolor and they're just like pretty detailed. Then lastly, Your Box newly launched their new nail accessory collection. So they sent this pouch over. This is Azul by Musi. It's a beautiful pouch and it's perfect to travel with. So inside we have a couple of rings and earrings. I'll show each one of them to you. So there are these earrings which are crystal and yellow, neon yellow. I really find them very pretty. They're just very cute as well. Then we have a couple of rings. The first one looks like this. It's a lip and pearl. Again, pretty chic, if only it fits me. Yeah, it will fit me because it's an adjustable ring. So I'll show you. Then the second ring is like this. It's like a shade with lips on it. Again, I think they are like quite infatuated with lips, but they look cute nonetheless, so no worries. And lastly, we have a brooch which is in a shape of a star. Again, quite quirky and girly and chic. With that, I finished my fashion and accessory haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, then do not forget to comment and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Also, don't forget to check out all of my social media, which would be linked in the bottom bar as usual for you guys. And I will see you guys day after tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.